Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you a program first note repeating character. So we will get a string S. So in this string, we have many characters. Some are repeating and some are non-repeating. But we have to find only first non-repeating character. So you can see that first character is A. So A is also present here. So it is repeating. Next is B. So we have B here and B is also here. So B is also not a non-repeating character. Then we have C. C is only present once, so it is a non-repeating character, and it is the first character which is a non-repeating. And after that we have D. So D is a repeating character because here we have D and here is also D. Then we have F and G. So F and G also are non-repeating. So we have C, F and G which are non-repeating. But from all these characters, first character according to the string index we have C. So the first non-repeating character for this string will be C. So we have to write the program for this. So if you have seen my last video of pangrams, so in that video I have used SI codes logic to find the repeating characters. So same logic I will be using here for checking the repeating and non-repeating characters. So first what we have to do is we have to make this string in lowercase. So s equal to s dot to lowercase. After that I will make a array of size 26. So int a equal to new int 26. So you can see that first I have made this string in lowercase. So lowercase and uppercase letters both have different ASCII values. So if you want to check both lowercase and uppercase letter, then you will have to make a array size of 52. So that will increase the space complexity. So we can check the characters whether in lowercase or uppercase. After that I will take a for loop for int I equal to 0 and I less than s dot length and I plus plus. Now in this for loop I will take a variable int n equal to s dot char at I. So you can see that this for loop will start from index 0. So at index 0 character is A, but we are storing this character in the integer variable. So it will not store it as A, it will store it as the SI value. So SI code of A is 97. So in this int n variable we will get 97. After that I will subtract n equal to n minus 97. After that a of n plus equal to 1. So first I am writing the program and then I will explain you the logic. After that I will take one more for loop. So I will copy this first for loop and paste here. Here I will take if statement if a of n is equal to 1. So that time we have to print s dot char at I. So we will print that character whose frequency is 1, and after that we will break the for loop. So let's run this program. So you can see that in the output we are getting C. So you can see that I have taken here break statement. So the reason of taking break statement is that we only want the first non-repeating character. If I will remove this break statement here, so it will print all the non-repeating character of this string. Now you see if I run the program, it will print F and G also because they are also non-repeating. But in this program we only need the first non-repeating character. So after printing the first character I will break this for loop. Now let's see how this program is working. So you can see that we have this string and I will also write the string index value of these characters. After that converted this string to lowercase, so they will become lowercase. Then I have taken a array of size 26. So we will have a array of size 26. So you can see that in the string I only have taken characters from A to G only. So I will make a empty values here A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Size of this array is 26. So it's mean that in this array indexes will start from 0 and it will end up to 25 only. But you can see that SI value of characters are starting from 97. So let's see how we will handle this. So I have taken this for loop. So this for loop will start from 0. So I will start from 0. So at index 0 we have character A. What I will do is I will store this character in the int n variable, and this int n variable is an integer variable. So it will store the SI value of this character, and the character A SI value is 97. So in the n variable we will get 97. After that you can see in the array we only have index value from 0 to 25. So what I will do is I will subtract 97 from this n. So 97 minus 97 will become 0. So n will become 0. So at index 0 in the array we will increment 1. So for a, here will increment 1. So this is the 0 index in the array for character a. Then this is the first index, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, and so on up to 25. So you can see that at index 0 we will increment 1 for character a. After that I will increment, so I will become 1. So you can see that at index 1 we have b. So we will store b in the int n variable. Si value of b is 98. So in the n variable we will get 98. So when we will subtract 97 from 98, so it will become 1. So at index 1 in this array we will increment 1. So here is index 1 and here we will increment 1 for the character b. After that I plus plus, so I will become 2. So you can see that next character is c, and si value of c is 99. So in the n variable we will store 99 and then we will subtract 97. So 99 minus 97 will become 2. So at index 2 in the array we will increment 1. After that I plus plus, so I will become 3. So next character is d, and the si value of d is 100. So 100 minus 97 is 3. So at index 3 in the array we will increment 1. So here we will get 1 for the character d. After that I plus plus, so index will become 4, and at index 4 we have character b, and the si value of character b is 98. So 98 minus 97 will become 1. So at index 1 we will again increment 1. So here at index 1 now we will get 2. After that I plus plus, so I will become 5. At index 5 character is f, and the si value of f is 102. So when we subtract 102 minus 97, so we will get 5. So at index 5 in the array we will increment 1. After that I plus plus, so I will become 6. At index 6 we have g. Si value of g is 103. So when we subtract 103 from 97 we will get 6. So at index 6 in the array we will increment 1. So here we will get 1, and after that I plus plus, so I will become 7. So at index 7 we have character a, and the si value of a is 97. So 97 minus 97 will become 0. So at index 0 we will increment 1 again. So at index 0 now we will have 2. So now you can see that with the help of this first for loop we have stored the frequency of these characters in the array, and you can see that in the rest of the values where we have not stored any frequency, there we will have 0, because this array is an integer array. So if we are not storing any value on that index, so it will store the default value of the int on that indexes, and the default value of int is 0. So in the rest of the indexes we will have 0. After that in this next for loop we will check the frequency of every character whether it is equal to 1 or not. So you can see that this for loop will again start from 0. So at index 0 we will have a. So we will store a si value of a in n variable. So again 97, and 97 minus 97 will become 0. So at index 0 in the array we will check that if the value is equal to 1 or not. So we can see that here is 2, because a is repeating 2 times in the string. So this if condition will remain false. After that I plus plus, so I will become 1. So at index 1 in the string we have b. So then we will store the character b si value in the n. So it is 98, and 98 minus 97 is 1. Now we will check at index 1 if the value is equal to 1. So no, at index 1 in the array value is 2. So b is also a repeating character. So this if condition is false and it will not execute. Then I plus plus, so I will become 2. So at index 2 you can see that we have c, and the si value of c is 99. So we will store 99 in the n, and after that we will subtract 97 from it. So 99 minus 97 will become 2. So we will check that in the array at index 2 is frequency is 1. So at index 2, yes, frequency is 1. So we have found our first non-repeating character. So we will print c in the output, and after that we will break this for loop, because now we don't need to print more non-repeating characters, and the time complexity of this program will be big of n, because here we are using single for loops, and the space complexity of this program will be big of 26, because here we are using an array of size 26. So thanks for watching.